All right, this is it. This will be my first time solo camping, and let alone truck camping. And we have some interesting circumstances, including one, it's like 110 degrees out. That's why I am soaked. It's bad. It's humid. But that's what you get, in Nebraska. So, gotta love it. That's the first thing. The second thing is there's major thunderstorms on the way. So I'm actually excited about that. I like thunderstorms. I don't know how much I'll like them when I'm camping. That could be a totally different thing. But I'm here. I'm excited. I've already faced some challenges, including this pole broke. Got a replacement, and it broke again. This is the support for the tent to come out like that. But other than that, it's fine. The integrity of the tent should be okay. Peek in there. It is toasty in there. This is just kind of the first of many, hopefully. And like I said, I'm just kind of going local today, just to test the waters. And yeah, we'll see what comes. So the plan for tonight is cook up some steaks, some sweet potatoes and beans, have a good dinner. There's a fireplace over there. Got a little cast iron skillet here. That should do the trick. Here, let me show you. So all the necessities, bacon for tomorrow morning, beans. I already prepped the sweet potatoes. Nice steak here. Coke and extra water, just because it is so hot. All right, so it is not quite dinner yet, but I am hungry. And I didn't want to make the steak this early, so I'm just having some pita chips and some beef jerky. And I think after that I might go explore a little bit. There's some lakes, and then get ready for dinner. There is absolutely no one around. Just me, my truck, my tent, my beef jerky. That's about it. Okay, it is time to explore a little bit. There's the setup. Not bad at all. But I think I am not keeping the focus on my face. I'm not very good at this camera work. Maybe I'll get better, maybe I won't, but I'll keep going. Yeah, like I said, I think there's some lakes around here. It'd be nice to find one, maybe take a dip. Probably not. But other than that, I'm not really sure what to do until dinner. I shouldn't have prepped so much food. And by that, I mean my sweet potatoes, because it would have given me something to do. And I just realized how tired my arm gets from holding this silly thing up. And I probably look weird, but I just spotted a bunny. Here we go. Not a bad view at all. Yeah, I don't think I'll be hopping in. Not a huge fan of river water. Not here in Nebraska, at least. Either way, I'm glad I could get out and see it. And I'm getting hot. Well, I went seen the river, and that was it. Didn't jump in, cool off, or anything. Could have, but dang, there was a fly that was stuck on me. Yeah, I could have, but I didn't. That's all right though. I think I'm gonna just hang out here, enjoy some relaxation before I get dinner ready. And I do have to put the tarp to go over because I just checked and yeah, it's gonna storm tonight for sure. Oh, it's a little tight getting in, but once you're in, it's not so bad. Okay, so this is my view. Little short. I'm not quite up against the end there, but yeah, there's the sky, beautiful view. Unfortunately, like I said, this is gonna have to be covered up because we're gonna get some rain. But all in all, uh-oh, got someone. Oh, please don't, please. I guess that was just a guy in the area. He said he lost his phone, so that sucks for him. Tried to, look here and whatever. I mean, it's a big area. It's pretty open, so what can you do? All right, I got the tarp on, and it's a little loose, but should do the trick. Oh my gosh, dude, that looks so that looks so messed up. All right, guys, that's gonna be the whole theme of the channel, I guess. Is I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing, but I most certainly don't. All right, so it is majorly cooled down within the last 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm gonna make a trip back to the river. We're gonna get there, check it out, and I don't know. I feel like whenever I'm about to pause the video or go to the next clip, I don't know where to end it, so I don't know. I think it is time for dinner because the sun is going down a little bit and I'm getting hungry. So I got this cool little thing. It's like a wax cup, and I guess all you do is place it under the fire and it'll catch. Okay, I don't think that seems to be doing much of anything. Yeah, that did not work at all. So I'm gonna have to try something else. And I think I'm just gonna collect some tinder and just do it the old-fashioned way because that sucked. Oh, this stuff must be super wet. This might have just been the key. Yep, holy smokes. Okay, I tried everything. I think it's the humidity. I didn't think of the humidity at first. Everything is moist even though it's hot out. Anyways, this was a Swiffer that I had in my truck and I just tore it up in a couple pieces, so I'll keep this for tomorrow and hopefully that's our fire. So yeah, I think that worked. Man, I do not know why this is so hard to start this fire. I've got all the tools I need and I am failing at, look, I've got the pit, so it's got a fire starter even, that it's there and it might be catching, but I don't think it is. And all this kindling is not catching, it's just so moist. But I guess this is how we're cooking dinner. So we'll see about that. I guess I'll put the pan on there and see how hot we can get it. Okay, guys. So I might have found a strategy, but it's not very good. But it works, kind of. And that's just throwing this in here. Hoping for the best here. I think like that. Oh, yep, got the finger right there. Got my potatoes here. I'll show you. No, I will not actually, because I don't want to rewrap them. It's gonna be hard to get a good medium rare on this steak too. If the fire's like all over the place. Get my potatoes. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing the beans tonight. That's all right. Oh, that's really unevenly cooked. So I will do something about that. There we go. Okay. I am pretty sure dinner is ready. Hopefully. Oh, I am just totally kicking the tripod. All right, let's see. That's the steak. Much, much better. And the potatoes. Yep, should be done. Got the fire going. Let's go. Wow, I probably look crazy. Hope I don't drop it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Whew. Let's try these potatoes. They look good. Oh, why didn't I think of that? They are hot. Not bad, actually. Not that bad. Just that. That is incredible. All in all, not bad. Unseasoned. Those are okay. An unseasoned steak, it's not bad. Potatoes could 100% go in longer, but they're not bad. Nope. No stars. Just rain clouds coming in. But we will see how good that tent does. I got that tarp on there, so it should be okay. Dinner's done. Setup's done. Walked around a little bit. Not really a dessert guy. Although I might become one because it'll be another thing to do. I did just get a severe thunderstorm watch on my phone. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm seeing a little bit of lightning out, you know, to the east, I believe. I'd say we've got another hour and a half maybe before anything comes this way. But it is definitely coming. But I'm prepared, so. Whew. Okay, so I am here, and I fit pretty good. That's the edge of the tent there. Not bad. This is a 5.5 foot bed, and I will not be telling you my height. It's more than 5.5, not by much. Anyway, so I'm going to probably hang that light up, you know, up there. That's about it. I'm just getting ready for this thunderstorm, but in the meantime, it's just getting so humid because of the storm coming around, I think is what's happening. So I am just sweating like crazy in here, and this just traps heat, especially because I have the tarp over it, so all the vents and everything. So I am just sweating like crazy. I think that'll probably do it though. I am pretty tired. But if the thunderstorm comes, when it comes, I will let you guys know. Oh my gosh. Can't see up. Yeah, it's raining. And look at that. Because I didn't have that pole in there to keep it, but it's just failing. I mean, unless I do that, but you can, obviously I can't stand like this the whole night. Oh, dude, this is bad. At least it's like not hitting that right now. Guys, I don't think I can do this because I didn't realize how vital that one pole was for this exact scenario. Because as you can see, that's a lot of water. And watch, I'm gonna do this for the sake of the video so you can see. Watch what happens. Okay, all right, that wasn't that bad. Last time I did that, soaked. You can't, this is soaked, this is puddles of water. And look already, it's back. Okay, so I've got this shoe and the pillow. So when it seeps, it seems like it just goes down, you know, and then, yeah, falls between the truck bed. So we're gonna try that, and then I've got, water here from the same thing, it's the seals. But just look at how much already, and then every single time I do that, it's just more, and it's splat. Oh man. Oh no, dude. Look, it's coming through this one now, and there's nothing I can do right now. Let's try to take a look outside, and I have a feeling I'm about to get soaked. Oh my. Well, I'll let you guys know what happens if anything crazy happens. Okay, so I've got the tripod acting as kind of doing what that broken pole would have done. I'm bowing that out a little bit. So, I mean, obviously it looks like really no rain can pool anywhere anymore. Except maybe the corners, which is why I'm getting that and that. I think that is a good fix, at least for the time being. Well, I guess I made it through the night. Oh my goodness. So, to no one's surprise, the fire will not start again. So it looks like no bacon and eggs for me, or not eggs, bacon and beans. That's all right. I'm just gonna grab some trail mix then that I brought. Maybe walk around a little bit. Think about all the things that I need to do better next time, because there is plenty, and I will get a list made. Well guys, that'll do it for this one. This was a good campsite all in all. Even with the rain, the heat, the not being able to get my fire started, all things considered, it wasn't too bad. And I learned a lot, which is the most important thing right now for me. Because like I said, I am so new to all of this. And like the last time I went camping had to have been like 10 years ago in Cub Scouts or something. So yeah, this is totally new to me, and I know I've made a ton of mistakes, and I deserve to get laughed at for a lot of the silly things I did, including knowingly coming out when there's a thunderstorm with a tent that I knew was not, it did not have everything that it should have had. So that was my fault, and I learned from that, so I'm not going to do that again. But for now, I will say goodbye to this campsite. My first campsite solo of many, hopefully. So on that note, I'm going to get out of here, get a shower, and start planning the next trip. See ya.